Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's Nairobi, and if you're new, welcome. Thank you for stopping by for today's vlog. Well, yeah, it's gonna be like a mini vlog haul because I just literally pulled up to the house. I was down the street. I went to this nail shop that this is the second time I go to. The one that I originally go to is like 20 minutes far. 20 minutes away, and I didn't want to go that far today because I have to pick up my child right now, like in 40 minutes. But I wanted to show you this color that I got. This lady that was next to me when I was paying, she was just like, that's a beautiful color, and it's like a purple. Like from far away I know it looks like blue. Let me turn it down, I might get copyrighted. From far away I know it looks like a baby blue, but it's like a purple lilac. I don't know, I just love it. And then I messed up this finger, so I had to wait for the lady to like come back, and I was like, I'm sorry, I'm gonna tip you, okay? She was like, no, it's okay. But I still felt bad because she had to fix it 2 times, and yeah, so I just had to wait until it dried out. But it's just a beautiful color. And then on my toes I did get red. I was gonna say red. No, it's not even like a red, it's like a maroon color. Let me show you. Okay, I just had to do the thumbnail real quick, which was really hard because I was trying to cover my address. But let me put you guys like maybe here, which you're probably gonna fall right there, but I just need to do it like while I open the package, and I had to scoot all the way back. But let's go ahead and open the package. So I got my little helper here, and let's go ahead and see. Let me show you what I ordered. Okay, so I opened it. Let's go ahead and I love getting Zara packages. Like, it's just Zara and Nordstrom. Okay, so this is what the package comes in, and they wrap it. So the first thing I'm going to be showing you is this cute t-shirt. Oh, I feel like the steering wheel's in the way. I feel like, no, if I put it up, it's too. Okay, I'm going to have to improvise. That's like too close. I'm going to scoot my seat all the way back. Okay, so this is the shirt, the t-shirt that I got. And it just says, Shades of Perfection, and it's like a washed out green. I don't know if you're gonna be able to like tell, and plus my car is like super dark. Let me put down the window so you can see like the wash. So it's just like a pretty washed out color, and the material is like really soft, like kind of like the ones the tees from Target, like the v-necks, because I do get my v-necks from there. But this is like a super comfy t-shirt, and this is, I got it in size large. I like to tie my t-shirts in the front. I don't know why, it's just, I just do. Like, I wear like high-waisted jeans, and then I just like to tie it in the front. I like how it looks. And this is a size large, and I got it for $12.90. And it's just a beautiful t-shirt, and plus I just like how the letters are black. There was another one that said Los Angeles, and it was like the same style t-shirt, but it was like a baby pink. And then there was another one that said Boulevard Hollywood, I think, and it was like a washed out black, and the letters were white. But I've been into green lately so much, so I decided to get this one. And then the next item is, oh, I've been waiting for these like for the longest. Okay, so these are my new sandals, chanclas, and I just like how they come in like this dust bag thing, the little bag for them. And it's perfect because, you know, when you travel, you don't want your shoes to touch the clothes and everything. So this is what they look like, and they're so beautiful. So I've seen many of these on Pinterest. I know Steve Madden makes I know Steve Madden makes the same style, but this design, I think it's a little bit different. I think it looks like the H, like for the Hermes. But the original sandal that I seen like this is the brand YSL. So if you're not ready to spend like 600, which is me, I don't think I can. I feel like I would not spend that much. The most I would spend like on some sandals would be maybe like less than 100. Maybe like 60, 70 bucks is the most I would spend for like some sandals like this. But these are $45.90. And the size that I got them is in size 38, which is 7.5 in US. So size 38 is 7.5. And like I said, this is the price. And it says here it's leather. And I'm so excited to wear these, pair these up with these black pair of jeans that I got from Topshop, which I did mention it in my shop with me jean shopping video. And then I did buy some cute like loose, I don't know what the material is. It's like with flowers, and it's like a creamy color, and then the neck is like a square. Yeah, like a square. I'll insert a picture here, and I'm so excited to wear that with these. And this is a detail. It's like silver, and then it has white on the heel, and then this is the back. They smell like leather. Like, you know when you walk into like a cowboy store and you smell like all the, just everything, like how it smells, you know, if that makes sense. But yeah, these are so cute. I'm so excited. And I might wear this green t-shirt also with the ripped black denim that I'm wearing right now, and then just tie it in the front. And then I could also wear this jean jacket with it, because right now it is a little bit fresh. It's 58 degrees, so these are so cute. And I just got a petty, so just come in this bag right here. And yeah, that's all. The only reason why I got, the only reason why I got this t-shirt was because of the chanclas were $45.90, right? So it's free shipping with orders 50 and up. So I was like, you know, I'm just gonna grab something just to make it like 50 or whatever. And I think the total was like 64. So that was good because I didn't have to pay for shipping. So I always do that. Like, do you guys do that? You know, when you're like, oh, I'm only $5 away from like free shipping, why not just add like something to the cart and just make it, you know, get your free shipping, girl. Okay, so that's all that I wanted to share with you. And then, okay, also, I know this bag that I mentioned on my last video, I've been wearing this bag everywhere like for the past almost 3 weeks. And I'm so sad because it's like falling apart on me. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see the beads? And look, so I'm left with like this hanging string here. And like my mom makes fun of me because my mom's like, that's a cute purse, but like, why is it like ripping apart on you? And she's like, tu bolsa barata. And if you don't know what bolsa barata means, if you don't understand it, it means like your cheap ass purse. So she made fun of me the other day when we went to the mall. She was like, mira tu bolsa barata, it's falling apart on you. And I just like laughed because I was like, really, mom? Like, and then like the bag part, it's also like the beads are. I don't know, it's just like so chill. Let's listen to it. Otra noche en Miami. Okay, I'm just gonna end this vlog here. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with the next one. Bye.